Is your smart cleaner acting, well, a little dumb? It cleans for 10 minutes, claims it has 60% charge, and then just dies? Fast battery drain is a massive headache, currently plaguing Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni owners. We see these units coming into the shop constantly. They shut off randomly, display phantom charge percentages, and, worst of all, the suction power drops drastically, leaving dirt right where it started. So, why is this happening? Our diagnostics at Robocare almost always point to one culprit: a faulty battery. When these cells degrade, they can't maintain the necessary voltage. This confuses the robot's sensors and forces it to throttle suction power just to stay alive. But don't panic. You don't need a new robot, you just need robot vacuum repair from the experts. At Robocare, we specialize in high-end robot vacuum repair. Our technicians are factory trained to understand the complex architecture of Ecovacs models. We've seen this specific power failure scenario countless times, and we know exactly how to handle it. We don't just guess, we verify. Using advanced voltage load testers, we confirmed that this is a faulty battery. The cells can no longer handle the power demand, causing the vacuum to shut down prematurely. To fix this, we carefully disassemble the unit and install a genuine replacement battery that meets strict safety standards. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see the after. Just look at that difference. The suction power is back to 100%, and it's cleaning the entire floor plan without a single hiccup. No more random shutdowns, just a spotless home. Don't let a bad battery ruin your routine. Visit our website or call us today to book your repair. We bring your smart home back to life.